What's going on guys, this is Kedar here. I was trying to use my YouTube application and here you can see guys, nothing is working. My home feed is not loading properly. All I see is few short videos, also the YouTube movies and TV, but the regular YouTube videos are not showing up in my YouTube home feed. This is kind of a weird error going on guys. Is this error occurring to my particular account or everybody else in the world? Well guys, I got some very important updates right from the team YouTube and all that. So without further ado, let's get right into all the details. And doesn't matter whether you use your iPad, Android, your web YouTube application. For example, here you can see the YouTube Android application. It's completely empty. I can't able to see even a single YouTube video in my home feed. So this is kind of a weird. In fact, I tried switching my YouTube account and you know what guys, no videos are still loading up. So is this any app related issue? Why it's particularly occurring to YouTube? Is your account hacked, blocked, anything of such kind? What's the latest update? So let's check out all the latest details. Now first thing first, do I need to worry about this issue? Because you know what, your account could be hacked, blocked, banned, something like that. Is that the case? So to check out is that the case, I headed over to the Twitter and checked out is this error occurring to my particular app or everybody else in the world. And here you can see guys, first tweet just 3 minutes ago, my homepage is not loading. 16 minutes ago, YouTube is not working for me. My homepage is completely blank with only few shorts. So homepage is completely going blank. That's the primary issue. While some people are getting, few of the videos, 9 or 10 videos onto their home feed. And once you refresh, probably you see blank screen or you see probably few videos or shorts. So it's kind of a weird, everybody's facing weird and unique issue, but it's guaranteed that it's related to the YouTube home feed. So why your YouTube home feed is not working properly? You see few videos, only shorts or only the movies section. So let's check out. And yeah, how can you forget about that blank YouTube home feed? So guys, first thing first, for sure, don't worry about this issue because you know what, your account is not hacked, blocked, because everybody is facing this issue. YouTube is not working for a lot of people, and it's actually, this error is started from like a couple of hours ago, just as of right now I'm doing this video, and many regions right here are facing this particular issue. To check out the latest reports regarding the YouTube servers, I headed over to the down detector and oh my goodness guys, just check this out. As of right now I'm doing this video, 553 outage reports. Many people are reporting as of right now that YouTube servers are not working. Now I'll get to the YouTube update, what YouTube has to say about it, but most likely here you can see it's the app related issue. Also people are facing the problem in YouTube website, they can't able to stream the video. What people are saying, YouTube recommendation down, black or white screen. The homepage is showing just shorts and stories. Homepage is not working. I think YouTube is trying to April fool us, but it's too late. YouTube recommendation not working. What is going on with the YouTube? YouTube is under attack. So definitely guys, lot of chaos. Many people are reporting same exact issues. So first thing, don't worry about it. Now let me get to the solution part. What YouTube and team YouTube is saying about it. First thing, I headed over to the YouTube Twitter official page, and you know what guys, they have a bunch of new content stuff related to content creators and many of such kind, but nothing related to this specific outage situation. And as always, the YouTube creators Twitter official page, they also tweet about only the creators and nothing special regarding the specific issue. No recent update regarding the outage from YouTube creators. I headed over to the team YouTube for timely updates, and you know what, any sort of a help that you need, you should check out the team YouTube. And check this out guys, this fellow reported why you touched the home page, it's not working, and team YouTube replied, can you tell us more about the issue that you're having so we can point you in the right direction. This fellow has sent a screenshot where it's saying only the shorts are visible, nothing else is visible. Replying to that, let's check out what YouTube has to say. YouTube said, got it, mind sharing your feedback on this? You can report this issue onto this link and they will help us fix the issue. Same exact error for this fellow, no videos are appearing under the movies, and here we got some kind of a solution. So let's check out what team YouTube has to say. Is this happening across your all the device? So first thing, you team YouTube asked this very important question. If haven't yet, then it's best to restart your application, whether it's Android or iOS, whatever. Make sure you have the latest version of Android, iOS, or whatever application that you are using. If you are using in your YouTube into the browser, then make sure you clear its cache and cookies. And to report this issue, you can head over to support.google.com, this link right over here, and they said let me know how it goes. So this is some kind of a solution provided by Team YouTube, guys. First thing, if you are using Android application or iOS application, make sure your application is up to date. Go to the Play Store or Apple App Store and update your application as soon as possible. Make sure it should be the latest version, and make sure, guys, if you are using the YouTube in browser, then make sure you clear its cache and cookies. That might be causing this error. And if you are getting blank screen like this, Team YouTube also said, is this happening across all the device? Try quitting and relaunching the YouTube website. Installing the latest version also helps out if you are using the application. So that's the response basically. Now this issue is getting kind of out of hands because check this out, 587 outage reports just as of right now we are doing this video. And one of the other solution I found out upon searching a lot, you can try using another of your Google or YouTube account and try using that account, and hopefully if it works, do let me know that in the comments down below. If you have any other solution, please share that solution with the community. That will help us a lot. And guys, make sure to hit that like, smash that like button, share this video, subscribe to our channel. That really helps us. And this is Kedar from How To Guys signing out.